session, sir?
No, Parliament is meeting after 2-week deadlock or whatever you call it. I have convened a meeting of all important leaders of different political parties at 12 o'clock. They will all be coming. We will be discussing ways and means to move forward. People of India, they are becoming restive. They are getting depressed that the Parliament is not functioning. It is not the interest of anybody. It is not going to serve the interest of anybody, any party, or any section of the people, that Parliament do not function. So we want the Parliament to function. Government have already made its stand very clear. Government is willing to discuss each and every issue, and the ministers concerned will respond also. And I also said earlier that as and when required, if it necessitates, and somebody asks for it, and if there is a need, then the Prime Minister also will intervene. He has been intervening earlier and he will intervene now also. There is no problem on that account. But I only appeal to all political parties, please allow the Parliament to function, and then let us discuss issues. I am confident some solution will be found.
चल रहे 2 हफ्ते ऐसी निकल गए, इसलिए मैंने सबसे सलाह मशवरा करके आज सर्वदलीय बैठक मैंने मुख्य पॉलिटिकल पार्टी उनका नेताओं को बुलाया। 12 बजे मीटिंग होगा, उसमें हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे। सरकार शुरू से कह रहे हैं हम सभी विषयों के बारे में रूल्स के मुताबिक पार्लियामेंट में जो भी परंपरा है उसी हिसाब से सब इश्यूज के बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है। और प्रधानमंत्री इंटरवेन करना वगैरह उस स्थिति के अनुसार निर्भर होगा। जब कोई ऐसा वक्त आए, कोई जरूर पड़े, तो प्रधानमंत्री हमेशा इंटरवेन करते थे और जरूरत पड़े तो इंटरवेन करेंगे।
The concept of no work, no pay is also coming up. That if the parliamentarians don't let the house function, then they should not be, they should not get their salaries.
That's one opinion, but that's not the solution.